International Human Rights Week Mari Lenana protection of human rights depends on the rule of law in times of communal disharmony haiba timda debate competition among ngasi Manipur Human Rights Commission asinuna Maharaja Vodachandra College ke all multi-purpose hall da pangthokre. Manipur Human Rights Commission ke chairperson Justice U.B Saha, Manipur Human Rights Commission ke member Kangjam Khagendra Singh, Manipur Lenga ke Law Commissioner Nungsitombi Athokpam, High Court Bar Association of Manipur ke President Oriba Senior Advocate Yumnam Nimol Chan Singh na President Member Oidna Pangthokiba formal function aduda Chief Guest ke Warol Piraduna Human Rights Commission Manipur ke Chairperson Justice U.B Saha na hai Aikoina fundamental human rights kaya lairabasu amadi rights sang adubu protect tawna pa ek kaya lairabasu malengi mafam kaya da human life ke right da chawna singna bathingnari amadi awaba kaya mayoknari. Human rights habasi hauzikti movement ama oibata natana India gi oinasu human right ek fawa leire maram asana human rights habasi karino kamdouna protect tawgani haiba ningthina khangba mathou tai. Lakadori batha asigi tara asi International Human Rights Day numit tarabasu numit asi Sunday oibana palan tawba ngamloidabana International Human Rights Week oina inter-school debate competition asi sinbani. Mahairoi singda pandam thamlaga debate asi silibagi maramdi mahairoi sing asina human rights ki maramda khanglaga mahaki yumlon kairo naba amadi miyamda knowledge pinabani. Mahairoi haibasi laibak amagi tungi yumbini tungda laibak ama kari karamba fibamda semgadage haibasi mahairoi na lepkadauribani haina fongdorakle.
No, they cannot approach, and even approach, but they will deny, then that is the violation. So we want that this type of violation will not be in the society. There should be equality in true sense. Only in our constitution is a lovely constitution where man and woman are equality before the law. But then also there are some special features. Section 15 given certain special right to the women and children which nobody can go for, make law. So I am requesting all of you, try to build your state, try to build the nation. Unless the nation survives, your state will not survive. Unless your state will not survive, you will not survive. So, fighting each other, war between communities, war between Manipur.